Roboform is a powerful password manager that can store and manage as many passwords as you will ever need. This video will show you how to easily add login credentials to Roboform for one of your online accounts. Now, after you've downloaded and installed the Roboform program, you navigate to the online account that you want Roboform to manage the future logins to, and just enter your username and password as you normally would. For example, I'm on the Chrome browser right now on one of my WordPress sites, and all I do is add my username and password, click on login as I normally would, and then Roboform, which by the way on the Chrome browser has a little icon up here in the top right corner that you can use to access some of the features of Roboform. But whenever you go to log in for the first time after Roboform is installed, a box will pop up to auto save that. Now, I'm going to be demonstrating this in two different browsers just to show you that once the login credentials are saved on one browser, that if you have Roboform installed on multiple browsers on your computer, that same login is instantaneously available on the other browser. And in this demo, I'm going to be using Chrome and Firefox. Now, Firefox displays the information a little bit differently. It has a toolbar up here at the top that you can access if you're familiar with Firefox by coming up here to View, then hover over Toolbars, and it will show you all the available toolbars, and those that are checked are those that are shown on your browser. For example, if it's unticked, then the Roboform toolbar is not shown. Let's go ahead and tick this and show this, and I'm on the same site using the same URL on the Firefox browser as I am on the Chrome browser. Now, in Chrome, not only do you have the little icon up here in the top right corner of your browser, but also you've got a toolbar just like I showed you on Firefox, only the toolbar on Chrome, if displayed, is displayed at the bottom of your browser. Let me pull this up here and show you because it's just out of the view of the video here. Right there it is. Let's go and get this back down here. And once you have the information saved within Roboform, then as soon as you go to that particular website in the future, then Roboform will display, instead of the word logins in parentheses, it'll display the name of that particular account. And as you can see right now, it is not in the Roboform account on the Chrome browser or on the Firefox browser. So let's go ahead and log in on the Firefox browser and then click on Login. And right here is where you can change the name to whatever name you want. And currently it's going to be saved in the directory blogs, which I created myself. Because by default, you only have one directory, and that is called Home. Let me go ahead and X out of this, so I'm not going to save this in the Firefox browser. I just want to show you what it looks like in the Chrome browser, because it is a little bit different. And as you can see, since it was not saved, the logins is still empty here. Let's head on over to the Chrome browser and save it there. Click on Login. And this is what pops up for the Chrome browser. Same information, just looks a little differently. But the key thing is, though, is that you want to make sure that it is password protected. Make sure that box is ticked. And just like on the Firefox browser, you've got the directory here, blogs, or any other directory that you want to save this in, if you want to save it in any of them. Otherwise, it's going to automatically be saved in the home directory, which is the default directory. Now, you can change these after you've saved it by just left click, hold, and drag that information, be it the directory or the information in the directory, to wherever you want. Click on Save. Now then, if we come on up here to the Roboform icon, you can see that the name that was given, and you can change this at any time, is now showing instead of logins. And whenever you come to this site the next time, all you have to do is click on this icon for Roboform. This will pop down. The name of the site will show here, and you've got three options. You can either fill the form, you can fill it and submit it, or you can edit it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me just go ahead and delete this, come on back up here and click on the Roboform icon. Hover over this, fill the form, but it's not logging in. You now have to click on this link, or if we just click on this, then it will automatically fill the form and submit it, just the same as this button here. Fill and submit, and we're automatically logged in. Now let's see over here on the Firefox browser. Now we're already logged in because I didn't log out from the prior test, but it is automatically saved in the Firefox browser from it having been saved in the Chrome browser. So it's instantaneous. Now you can manually add this information too, but this is just so much easier. Another way that you can add login credentials is by importing passwords and bookmarks from other password managers, like for example LastPass or KeePass, just to name a couple. Now to do that, you come on up here, again this is the Firefox browser, Come on up here to the Roboform link, hit that drop down arrow, come on down here to Tools and go to Import. Just left click on that and choose the item that you want to import, whether it's bookmarks or, for example, LastPass or KeePass passwords. And this brings us to the end of this video on adding logins to your Roboform password manager. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.